Hi guys, I want to make some fruit juice. I have my juicer here and I'm about to wash my fruits and slice them up. So these are the fruits that I have. Here I have some oranges. I love oranges. So 5 oranges, 4 big oranges, 1 small orange. And then I have some limes. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with limes / lemons. As a bonus, I have a clementine and an apple. So I'll wash all of these, slice them up, and I think I'm going to do the pineapple last because it just looks like such a task. I don't know why the tap is not flowing. Alright guys, I just finished cutting up the oranges. So here I have oranges at the bottom, apples. Yeah, the peel just comes off really easily. So I may not even need a knife. Ah, that's perfect. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love citrus fruits. Oranges, limes, lemons. I think they have seeds. Yes, they should have seeds. Imported stuff, of course they don't have seeds. My goodness, these things don't have seeds. They don't have seeds. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm supposed to put the fruits in here. These are the chaffs from the first batch. This is all the pineapple juice that came out from that one pineapple. This full bottle is... Oh my gosh! Thank God it didn't spill too much. My heart. Anyway, I was trying to say that this full bottle is 1.5 liters. So if we filled up half of it, means we've got about 75 milliliters. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. Just rinse out this with a bit of mineral water, not much because I don't want to dilute. Alright, guys, I'm done with the juicing for today. So I have this, which is pure pineapple, and then I have this, which is a mix of the citrus fruits and 1 apple. That's what we have. Alright, I want to taste the juice that we just made. I have a bag of ice here. Just put a bit, not much. Some lime, just because for some reason I'm just very obsessed with lime. And the pineapple juice is really thick. And we'll top it off with the citrus mix.